Tired of confusing CRM signups that waste your time? In 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to create your Pipedrive account with zero hassle. Follow these 20 simple steps from your browser to your dashboard. No fluff, just the exact clicks you need. All right, let's get started. First thing, open up your web browser. Whatever you normally use. Chrome, Safari, Firefox, it really doesn't matter. Just get that new tab open. Now, go ahead and type in the Pipedrive website address.
If you're not sure of the exact URL, just search for Pipedrive CRM and it'll be the first result. Give the homepage a moment to load. This usually happens pretty quickly, but sometimes it takes a couple of seconds depending on your connection. Once you see the homepage, look for the button that says Try It Free. It's usually in the top right corner and it stands out pretty well. Go ahead and click that button. This will open up the sign up page.
Wait for it to fully load. You'll know it's ready when you see the field asking for your work email. Here's the part I've done dozens of times, so pay attention to this one. Locate the work email field and type in your email address. Make sure you use a work email if you can. That's what Pipedrive expects for the free trial. In my experience, using a personal email can sometimes cause hiccups later. If the page prompts you to create a password, go ahead and do that. Choose something strong but memorable. And I always recommend using a password manager for this sort of thing. Now, take a moment to review your account information. Double-check that email. I've tested this process many times, and it's so easy to accidentally misspell your own email address when you're in a hurry. Click the button that says Create Account or Start Free Trial. The exact wording might vary slightly, but it's the main call to action on the page. All right, here's the part that catches some people off guard. You might need to complete a verification process. Pipedrive will usually send a code to your email. Just check your inbox, find that code, and enter it on the screen. This might take a minute, but it's really straightforward. So now that we've got that set up, let's move on to the onboarding setup steps. Pipedrive will walk you through a few questions about how you plan to use the CRM. Don't overthink this. You can always change everything later. Just answer honestly for now. You might be prompted to enter your company information. This includes things like your company name, your industry, and how many people will be using the account. Again, just fill in what you know. Next up, you'll select your business goals and preferences. Pipedrive wants to tailor the experience to you, so pick the options that feel right. For example, are you focused on lead generation, closing deals, or managing existing customers? Choose what fits. Now, wait for the Pipedrive dashboard to load. This is the moment everything comes together. It might take a few seconds to set up your custom workspace. And that's it. You have successfully created a Pipedrive CRM account. You can now access your dashboard to manage leads, contacts, deals, and sales pipelines. From feeling lost and frustrated with complex setups, you're now ready to actually start working your leads. Go ahead and explore the interface. You've earned it.